So if you're into your Arabic dial watches, this is going to be a great video for you, because we're going to be unboxing our brand new Seiko mod, which is the Arabic Tiffany blue DateJust with the non-fluted bezel. We've done a similar one to this with a fluted bezel before. You can see it on our website, but this is going to be non-fluted, and also the dial is a sunburst dial rather than a sun ray effect, you can call it, in the previous one that we did. But yeah, let me stop describing this because I just want to open it and show you just how beautiful this piece is. So when you order from us, you're going to get a box like this. You're also going to get outer packaging as well, but obviously for this video I've not put that on. So inside the box with the Seiko mod, you just get the one box, obviously, because all the parts are made from scratch, so you don't get any other parts with it, if you know what I mean. You get the you obviously get the card here. This card allows you to leave a review for us and also send us a picture to show your wrist shot, which we always love to see. Move that out of the way. We always put some bubble wrapping in there as well, because obviously these are high value items. We want to make sure that they're not getting thrown around in your shipping. But yes, all our Seiko mods come with a nice leatherette box, which you can see here. And when you open it up, you will have the beautiful watch sat inside. Guys, take a look at this watch. Now, I don't know about you, but this is one of the most stunning watches that we've created. I must say that myself, to be quite honest. It is a very, very aesthetically pleasing watch. And I would say this is a perfect watch if you're on vacation, or if you're obviously in the Arab countries, you know, you've got the Arabic dial there, or if you're just wanting to wear it on a nice you know, evening, or a nice I don't know, event or something. You know, this is going to be really, really nice. This one comes on the presidential bracelet, as you can see, and it gives off that semi-casual, semi-professional vibe. It's kind of in the middle of the two, I would say. It's not too casual and it's not too formal as well. So it's a nice balance of the two. And yeah, guys, just take a look at that. It's absolutely stunning, and it's obviously like 10 times better in real life. When you see it in a video, it just does not do it justice at all. So yeah, you can see on the back we've also used a Seiko NH35 for this one, which you can see ticking there to keep the time. And it's also got the Seiko blade on it as well. And while I'm here, I'll just show you inside the box as well. You're going to get the tool to resize the bracelet to your wrist size. You'd also get another card in there as well. And while I'm here, I might as well give you some dimensions as well, for the people who are interested. So this one is going to be the 39mm variant. And I can show you using my trusty little tool here. So if we... Oops. Sorry guys, let me try that again. Okay. Making an absolute meal out of this. Alright, so 39mm, there we go. And if we go for the thickness, that will be about 13mm. Yeah, about 12mm, 13mm. And then we have the Jubilee bracelet, the presidential bracelet. Oh goodness me, I am making an absolute meal out of this, guys. I am so sorry. I need to become more of a professional YouTuber with this. So it says 18mm there. I would say it goes up to about 20mm by the time it gets to this section here. So you could change it out for some of the straps that are going to fit a 20mm look-to-look size. So you should be good to go there if you do want to change the strap on this. But yeah, this one, again, like I said, is available on the website. If you do want to purchase, just go to the website, which is in the link in the description below, and you can purchase it straight from there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.